Jago High is represented by Janelle Essen, Nathaniel Baker, Kevandra Blake, and Jermaine Miller. Annotto Bay is represented by Dajon Deans, Chantelly Williams, Kimarley Cobran, and Ezra Williams. One of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the first match in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Jago won, and they decided to go first. So we begin with Jago. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Jago, Bible knowledge. According to the King James Bible, which of the 10 commandments states, remember to keep holy the Sabbath day?
The fourth.
Correct. Annotto Bay, Bible knowledge. According to the King James Bible, the commandment that states, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor, is which of the 10 commandments?
Ninth.
Correct. Local affairs for Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Dana Maurice Dixon.
Dana Maurice Dixon.
Correct. Local affairs for Annotto Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Damien Crawford.
That is correct. Biology for Jago. What is the smallest bone in the human body?
The stapes.
Correct. Biology for Annotto Bay. What is the name of the smallest skeletal muscle in the human body?
Ulna.
Incorrect. Stapedius muscle. Music for Jago. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away.
Enrique Iglesias.
Correct. Music for Annotto Bay. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer.
The future that we hold is so unclear, but I'm not alive until you call.
Selena Gomez.
Correct. English language for Jago. Identify all the nouns in this sentence. I visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Nouns, all of them. Tour Paris?
Tour Paris.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is Eiffel Tower and Paris. And English language for Annotto Bay. Identify all the adjectives in this sentence. That moon looks so beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's incomplete. That and beautiful. Theatre and cinema for Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Chuck Norris.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Annotto Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Kiwali.
Incorrect. Clarence Gilliard. Jago, general knowledge. What city is known as the Eternal City?
Rome.
Correct. General knowledge, Annotto Bay. What American city is known as the capital of country music?
Texas.
Incorrect. Nashville. Sports, Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Gordon Greenwich.
Incorrect. Desmond Haynes, former West Indies cricketer. Sports, Annotto Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Alexander Graham.
Incorrect. Jeffrey Dujon, also a former West Indies cricketer. Geography for Jago. In what country is the largest non-subglacial underground lake located?
Norway.
Incorrect. Namibia. Geography for Annotto Bay. Lake Titicaca is the largest freshwater lake straddling the border of which 2 South American countries?
Argentina and Brazil.
Incorrect. Peru and Bolivia. Chemistry for Jago. What is the atomic number of chlorine?
17. 17.
Correct. Chemistry for Annotto Bay. What is the atomic number of fluorine?
14.
Incorrect. 9. Mathematics for St. Jago. What is the value of 7 and that's the end. I am hearing the bell there. So that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores, St. Jago High on 8, Annotto Bay High on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns right after these messages.